Struggling. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. We're here again for another gala vlog. It's me again, Jel and MM, and we're here sa
Balaring, Barangay Balaring
in Silay City. So guys, this barangay is known for its seafood restaurant. So napakaraming seafood restaurant dito guys. Nakahilera lang sila. And then guaranteed na fresh yung seafoods dito. So pag gusto nyo ng fresh na seafood tapos medyo malapit lang sa Bacolod, itong Balaring ang isa sa mga pinupuntahan talaga.
Nandito kami sa Melkens.
Yeah, so itong restaurant is medyo known din siya dito guys. Masarap yung food nila. So nakailang balik na din kami dito. Again, it's Melkens Restaurant. So we have ordered na guys. Ano yung order natin?
Garlic butter shrimp tsaka sinigang na tangigi.
Yes. And as usual guys, dala pa rin namin yung mga fur babies namin kasi they are allowed naman dito. Naka-diaper lang silang tatlo. So guys, it's March now. Start na talaga yung tag-init. Medyo mainit na. Feel mo na talaga yung summer. So, Riri, coffee. Shh. Shh, Kuya Bay. Hello. Hello. Our orders are here. It's sinigang na tangigi and buttered garlic shrimp. Ito yung isa. Wow! Guys. Matagal na akong hindi nakakakain ng sinigang. Picture sa ta. Let's eat. So it's lunch time ngayon guys. Kain tayo. Let's eat guys.
Sigapit ako ano din.
Ano?
Magtimpla ko. Isda. Ayun, isda na lang.
The aftermath. Sarap ng shrimp. So fresh. Tsaka yung sinigang masarap din. Yeah.
Papagita na upload.
Satisfied.
I'm proud of myself.
Yun naman.
Ourselves. Wala ta nag-add of rice.
One rice ra.
One rice ra. Coffee.
Guys, we're done with our lunch doon sa Melkens. So, busog. Sulit na sulit.
Busog-lusog. We only paid
895.
May dalawang ulam na,
yes.
saka dalawang rice,
at isang Coke Zero.
Isang Coke Zero.
I think yung ulam is like 300 plus each. Pero good for 2 to 4 persons na daw.
Depende kung
Depende sa
gaano kayo katakaw kumain. Pero sa amin guys, enough na take out pa namin yung sinigang namin na tangini.
Yes. Yun lang guys. See you in our next vlog.
Visit kayo dito guys.
Yes. Dito sa
Mas okay siguro
Balaring.
if yung pa-dinner na
Okay.
mainit.
Hindi masyadong mainit. Tapos, yun, Balaring guys, maraming mga floating seafood restaurants dito. Yun lang guys, like and subscribe.
Kumakain kayo by the way.